Hi, second grade. Today we're going to be learning about something called word categories. So, word categories are when we take a group of words and we decide how are these all similar or alike, right? That means the same. What do they have in common? We're learning about this now because later on we're going to learn about context clues. So, it's important for us to start thinking about how different words are related to each other. So for today, I'm on page 166 in your grammar book, and we are going to walk through some of this together. So the first thing up here says, a category is a group of things that are alike in some way. So I've underlined this word alike to remind me that that means similar. What do they have in common? Right? When we say a category of things, like a category would be a bunch of different types of dogs, right? We look at the different types of dog breeds that exist or cat breeds. Well, the similarity is that they're all types of dogs or they're all types of cats, right? But they're different individually. However, they have some similarities. We can put things that are alike into categories. So let's look at this. How are these things alike? Let's look. Apples, oranges, pears, and bananas. Without looking, what do these all have in common? What would be their category? Well, I know that they're all food, so that could be one, but I think I could be even more specific than food. I could say that they are all fruit. Each word names a fruit, so the name of this category could be fruit. We could say food, but we could be more specific and say fruit. How are these things alike? Drums, guitar, piano, and flute. Without looking, what do you think? What is similar about all of those words? That's not food, and it's not fruit. It's musical instruments. Everyone names a musical instrument, right? They're all different, but they're all types of musical instruments. So that would be the name of that category. So now we're going to try and put some words into categories that we read. Add each word from the word bank to the list with the other items that are alike. Let's see. So the first one says shirt, pants, and skirt. So now I need to find a word that would fit that category. Crayon? No. Train? No. If I'm looking at these three words, I'm thinking, how are they already similar? Well, I know that shirt, pants, and skirt are all things that I wear. They're all pieces of clothing. A crayon and a train, those are not pieces of clothing. Those are something completely different. They're in a different category. Let's see. Blue? No. Shorts? Yes. So shorts are something that we wear. They're an article of clothing. So they fit right into that category. Go ahead and try out the rest on your own on this page. When you're all done with page 166, you're going to move on to page 167, which looks like this. Now we are going to read these words and decide which one belongs better into the group that I already have. So let's look at this one. Read each list. Which red word is a better addition to the list? Pig, cow, horse. So I know that those are all animals. Now I have to choose, does chicken or moon fit better? Well, we know that a moon is a planet and that a chicken is an animal. So I would go ahead and circle chicken. The word chicken fits better with pig, cow, and horse because they are all animals, just like you know. So now with this one, I'm going to let you try this one on your own with summer, fall, winter, spring, and tree. Which one would fit better? Go ahead and circle it. Then you're going to do the same thing with all of these, numbers 1 to 10. It says circle the word on the right, which is these words in orange, that belongs with the words on the left, which is these words in black. So you're going to go through, and the first thing I want you to do is think, well, how are these three words related before I decide how the next word should be related? So if I look at this one, May, June, and August, before I even look at the orange side, I know May, June, and August are all months. So if I wanted to add another word, I need to look for something that's a month. So do the same thing with numbers 2 through 10 and try and figure out how they're all related. Tomorrow, we're going to work on context clues, which is going to help us when we know more about word categories. Have fun learning, second grade. I'll see your work on Seesaw.